missed the first few seconds of waving. Shit. I didn't expect it to all of a sudden say, "Dang, North Bang." That was fast. And I can do train impressions.
Yeah.
And automated announcements.
Me too.
Pretty well. This is a Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound D local train. The next stop is 4th Avenue. I sometimes forget the stop names and stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, we are currently being held because of train traffic ahead of us. Please be patient. This is a South Ferry bound 1 train. The next stop is, what's the next stop? Franklin Avenue? Yep. MTA, New York City Transit. That fast on that sharp turn. Oh shit.
And don't you dare call it Houston.
Crap, to the one in front of us. For some reason, it doesn't look like a still frame right here. Except for the light. Upside down rail fan? I like to do this. See what it looks like.
One user, we're gonna flip that on that one.
No, I mean some people record sideways. Are you recording sideways?
Well, the way it turns out, when I render it, it'll be regular.
Oh.
Uh-oh, skeleton track.
What?
Look at the head.
Yeah, it's just a yellow.
I'm gonna look at the track.
They're working on it.
Yeah. It's called skeleton track. Track that's in place, but waiting for a concrete pour.
Yeah, Franklin Avenue thinks it's the only tiled station. Completely tiled.
Strange.
What's exactly does that mean?
What?
There's 5 yellow dots, 10 miles.
It's a reminder, too. It's a reminder.
You don't see it in any other station.
Well, it's a temporary slow speed order. Because of the skeleton track.
If you got too fast, you'll probably break.
Skeleton track. Once I kind of turn the R142A cars 142.
That would be a rarity.
Yeah.
In the R140.
Here.
After the station, I think it's like a station down or something. There's tracks that go up to the left.
Oh. You mean right here?
Not yet.
Or by Rector Street?
By Rector Street.
Yeah, those tracks head to the loop.
Oh. Oh, yeah. There's Rector Street.
This would be Cortland.
I mean, that's Cortland, so yeah. That's what I meant to say. They're never gonna fix it. Once I saw a signal go weird, the bottom was green but the top was red. Thought if the top was red, the bottom's got to be red too. Just got jammed or something.
Along the older IRT signals, the position of the head also determined the route that you were taking. So, for example, green over yellow would be.
I know, it's going to
second
division.
head would be green. And we'll be held again.
If I shut off my camera, it's going to have 1 more minute. Oh my god, it's literally right in front of us.
Yep.